Okay, this is your overview video of the week. We are in the week of March 29th through April 1st. So this is a 4-day week. You will see only 4 folders here, Monday through Thursday. And this week we are going to go back and talk about the theme and how readers determine the theme in a text. And then also, how does that help us better understand what we've just read? So when we take a look at Monday, we are going to meet at 9 o'clock. Our focus this week is going to be more on writing and this article that we're writing. Reading is going to be kind of self-guided with the exception of Thursday. So you are going to meet at 9 o'clock. You are going to watch this teacher video where I go through and introduce theme, and I even read a short story and we kind of talk about the theme a little bit. And then you are going to read this text on your own, Claudine's Tack Attack. And you are going to respond to this discussion board post where you identify the theme. We are going back to revisit vocabulary. We are on week 21. Here are the words and definitions, and here is the day 1 vocab video. On Tuesday, we will meet at 9 o'clock, but again, focusing on writing. So after our meeting, then you're going to go in and watch this video. This will review your work from yesterday, and then introduce the text that you're going to be reading today, which is titled Sir Ivan. You're going to read that text. There are 5 multiple choice questions that you will respond to, and then your day 2 vocabulary video. On Wednesday, after our meeting, you're going to watch this short video where we go through and review those answers from Sir Ivan, and then introduce your practice test that you'll be doing today. You're going to read these 2 texts, Kira Kira and Jerry the Beaver, and then you have some practice questions here that go along with both of those stories. And last but not least, your day 3 vocabulary video. Finally, on Thursday, we said that today we would be spending some time going over those practice tests. So if you are not able to attend the meeting, then you'll want to make sure that you watch the recording. If you have not already completed those FSA practice tests, then you will not be attending the meeting. So you want to make sure that you get those done on Wednesday prior to our meeting. Then after the meeting, you're going to watch the day 4 vocabulary video, and then just make sure that you have all of your other work completed. That's your week in reading. Let me know if you guys have any questions.